Can you add automation to an existing swimming pool? Well, actually, as a matter of fact, you can. Most manufacturers really are aggressively targeting that market with an automation system that is designed for existing swimming pools or to be installed on existing swimming pools as opposed to a new swimming pool installation. But the thing is it kind of depends on your current equipment setup. Like, what is the manufacturer that you have for your pool equipment? Is that pool equipment going to be compatible with the new automation system? Like, these are important questions, and there's a little bit of technicality involved in answering them. The pool filter itself is the least of your concerns because there really is no level of interaction or automation with this. It's the pool pump, it's the pool heater, saltwater chlorinator, things like that. And in terms of controlling items, so you're going to add an automation system to an existing swimming pool. What level of control do you expect? Because there's two kinds. There's the kind where you have on and off control. That's it, on and off. Or there's the other kind where you have like full control. We'll talk about a heater. A heater where you can kind of like flip a switch and it turns on the power to the heater. And the other one is like full control. You can set the temperature, maybe make a schedule, things like that. Totally different. When it comes to adding an automation system to an existing swimming pool, if you're buying from one brand, we've got a bunch of Hayward here, so we'll talk about Hayward. If you were buying a Hayward automation system and you own a Hayward heater and the Hayward heater is a couple of years old, hey, there's a good chance here that these pieces of equipment are going to be able to talk to each other. And if you have, like a 15-year-old or 20-year-old heater and it's from a different brand, not from the brand that you're going to buy the automation system from, boy, there's a pretty low chance that those things are going to be able to talk to each other. So at best, you're going to be able to have that on-off level control, no temperature control or anything like that. So when it comes to adding an automation system to an existing swimming pool, look at the pump, look at the heater, and then what else do you have? Salt chlorinator and a pool light, maybe something else. So you need to perhaps reach out to the manufacturer of the automation system itself and see if the equipment you have is compatible. Like, go and take pictures of the service label and model numbers of the pool pump that you have, the pool heater that you have, and you should be able to determine from that information whether it will be compatible, fully compatible, or just on-off compatible with the automation system that you're looking at buying. The newer your equipment is, the newer your pump is, the newer your heater is, the more likely that you can just bolt on automation, kind of plug in some numbers, and bada bing, you now have full control, maybe even app control or through a digital keypad to now control the functionality of your pool, the pool heater temperature, the pool light on and off, maybe make adjustments to your variable speed pump schedule, that kind of thing. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.